Science has posed that the uranium atom, for instance, has lived or has been in existence upon the Earth for about 2 billion years. We will say first that a 2 billion year period means little or nothing in our minds. It means nothing in the mind of the scientist. It is merely a basis or an equivalent whereby he can work from some suitable level of understanding. The scientist also has a vague and rather indefinite theory about the evolution of the atom. He knows that somewhere from the simple hydrogen atom with a weight of 1888, that somewhere up here to where we get U-238, or uranium, with a compound structure of over 480 different positrons and electrons, that there had to be an evolution. This he has entered into some sort of a vague hypothesis. Somewhere out here in space we have cosmic rays which are shooting in, tiny particles of charged electricity. Sooner or later, the scientist says that one of these particles hit the central proton of the hydrogen atom. Then something happens, and it winds up with 2 protons, 2 electrons. So it is now a helium atom. That is a little vague and a little sketchy. For the truth of the matter is that the hydrogen atom, just like everything else in the universe, functions according to a well-ordered law of harmonic relationship, or the life cycle. We will say that this hydrogen atom has normally, in its course of evolution, we will say 100 days. After 100 days, which is its life cycle, we will make the point here as it's starting, and as it revolves, it will take 100 days to go around the circle. What does it do after that? When it comes to the point of conjunction, there is a certain something which takes place, a harmonic relationship, like the striking of 2 strings which are tuned to the same pitch, so that the hydrogen atom now enters into a relationship with, shall we say, the spiritual part of itself, which links it up with its dimension, or the spiritual dimension, which is the vortex, as it is supported from that vortex. Here within this vortex we see the multiplicities of positive and negative energies expanding and contracting. They result into one negative quotient and one positive quotient, which is the hydrogen atom.